If you are in the custom apparel decoration business, you love the look of traditional embroidery, but you really just are looking for a way to become a little bit more efficient and produce those products even faster for your customers. Well, keep watching because it is time to release a new product, and man, 30 seconds is a very quick time to create some custom apparel for customers. What's up everyone, Kelly Walters here, and yes, I said we are releasing a new product. So if you prefer the look of traditional embroidery and you're really looking for something to kind of still give you that look and traditional feel, but maybe take it a little more modern, well, we have a new product called Flexbroidery. Now this is part of our patches and emblems collection, specifically under the Flex Style category. The cool thing about this, you're going to see that 3D stitch effect without actually puncturing the garment. No hooping, no digitizing, and no having to worry about threads breaking, needles breaking as you are trying to finish those projects and get those orders out to your customers. Now, what makes Flexbroidery so cool? Well, you have unlimited colors. And the cool thing is that this press right here is what is going to be applying our Flexbroidery logo to a sweatshirt in just a minute. I do want to give you a couple of other details because this is something that I really think is going to be beneficial to a lot of you that have those customers that almost refuse to do anything but embroidery, and they're giving you a garment where you go, how am I supposed to embroider this? Now, this can go on cotton and polyester. So when it comes to viscose and rayon, this can still apply without having to worry about the sensitivity of those garments. Now, we're gonna go 280 top, 320 on the bottom using our Hotronix 16x20 autoclam, and we are going to be using a power platen. So let's go to the press, let's check out these products, the garment we're going to be decorating, and I'll show you exactly how to apply. Now, something I want you to take note of is this isn't just for garments. You can also use headwear, you can do other accessories like backpacks, but this hat's already been applied. In this case, we use the 360 IQ hat press that gives us both upper and lower heat. And if you want to use your 360, or you've been thinking about getting a 360, get it, because this autoclam and the 360, we use the same exact temperature and TTP, time, temperature, and pressure for applying Flexbroidery. So 280 top, 320 bottom, and 30 seconds. Now we've created the hat, we've created the polo, and yes, I even created the Flexbroidery logo to go over the hat with a seam. You didn't think I would talk about it and then not show you, right? So this hat is a 6-panel structured cap, and as you can see, there's no marks on this beautiful pattern hat. And then we've got nice little crafty creations giving us that 3D look of those stitches. Now, a huge thank you to Brandwear United, specifically Comfort Wash, for providing this cozy fleece V-neck sweatshirt that we are decorating on today. Not only is this going to be super easy to apply, we're not going to have to worry about how thick the garment's going to be when we stitch, but it's also a very trendy style that we're seeing right now, especially when it comes to retro styles where you kind of see the rugby or the athletic or varsity look. So this is our logo. It says, don't worry, be happy. And as you can see, we've been able to create something with a shade change, those gradients. We've got free floating text. Now, when it comes to an embroidered patch that you would heat apply, we couldn't do something like this with the free floating text. So this is where Flexbroidery really is super valuable to those decorators out there that are looking for very lightweight and movable decoration that is just going to feel great on those garments. We're going to get a lot of dimension, a lot of detail, and like I said, the unlimited colors really helps us bring this gradient style to life. For Flexbroidery, it's important to make sure you have both upper and lower heat for the best results. For this item, we are threading our sweatshirt onto our platen. We are using our Power Platen 11x15, so we do get that upper and lower heat. Once you have your logo, remove the backing, place it for your left chest or wherever you prefer over your garment. We are going to use our foam pad, specifically the 1/8. Now this is a 16 by 20 size, and we are going to apply for 30 seconds. Once our 30 seconds is complete, the auto clam, the heating element, will pop right open and you can remove that pad. Just be cautious as we have been cooking for 30 seconds with 280 on the top and 320 on the bottom. You do want to be at a medium pressure, and because we have a smaller platen, we are closer to the light side versus the middle to medium or heavy side. All you have to do is remove your carrier and your garment's complete. All right, so as you can see, it is super easy to offer embroidered looks with a heat press versus having to worry about stitches or the amount of thread colors that you're going to put in that logo for a customer, because with Flexbroidery, the colors are unlimited. It is time to increase your sales and profits and give more time back to you to do whatever you please. Remember, 30 seconds and you're done for the application, so you can move through orders much quicker. Skip the stitch and stay with the press. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Happy decorating.